Zika virus continues to threaten the Gulf Coast, and now new efforts announced today to fight the threat right here at home.
WDSC reporter Jennifer Crockett is live now on the lakefront with the plan laid out by local and state leaders today.
Well, Adriana, Mayor Mitch Landrieu said that he's going to add $500,000 to the mosquito board's budget to help fight against mosquitoes that could become carriers of the Zika virus here. The stinging itch of a mosquito bite, spreading fears about the Zika virus here.
The Zika virus is of greatest threat to pregnant women, and this is because of the infection that can be passed on to the infants, resulting in potential fetal death or severe birth defects.
The insect now the point of national concern after the first locally transmitted cases popped up in one Miami, Florida neighborhood. But that's not happening here in Louisiana.
There have been 17 travel cases of Zika in Louisiana. However, there are no locally transmitted cases in the state.
Our mentality should not be a matter of if we will face a locally transmitted case, but rather when.
New Orleans Mayor Mitch Landrieu joining city and state health experts to address concerns in the region.
We consider this to be an extremely serious public health threat that we just make sure we take precautions for.
Happening now, defense attacks to ward off transmission.
We've actually increased the number of traps throughout the city to help us get a pulse on what is going on.
Because Zika can also be spread through sexual contact. Safe sex practices, including the use of a condom and/or abstinence, is also encouraged.
Louisiana is home to two potential Zika carriers, the yellow fever and the Asian tiger species of mosquito. They're not the kind that attack in the woods. They live closer to home.
The Zika mosquitoes would be more ones that would be backyard breeding, container breeding mosquitoes.
No Zika-carrying mosquitoes have been found in Louisiana yet, but when one is trapped here or a person is thought to have been infected locally, planes and trucks will drop insecticide that same day.
And really, to break epidemics, we are looking at treatment every 3 days.
Experts said that yellow fever mosquito is easily killed by the insecticide that the Orleans Parish Mosquito Board is using. But rain, like we had today, dilutes that poison. They said the best thing you can do is to dump out any standing water in any amount around your home to keep Zika out of your neighborhood. Reporting in the lakefront, I'm Jennifer Crockett, WDSU News.